Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Pillar. Now in today's session I am going to discuss about the how to find coordination number and oxidation state of the central metal atom. Okay, this is very important point for the coordination chemistry. Okay, now how to find coordination number and oxidation state of the central metal atom or ions. Okay, these are the very important point. Okay, this is a very important point for the coordination chemistry. Now take first example. How to find coordination number and oxidation state. Okay, zinc Cl4 -2. Look towards this example. Okay, now for the finding of the coordination number and oxidation state. Okay, you know the what is meant by coordination number? The number of ligand attached to the central metal atom is called coordination number. Okay, now how many ligand attached to the zinc? There are the 4 ligands. Okay, that is a 4 chlorine or chlorido. That is 4 chlorido attached to the central metal atom, that is zinc. So coordination number, okay, or we can write like this: coordination number of zinc is equal to 4. That is 4 ligand attached to the central metal atom, that is zinc. So coordination number is 4. Now let's solve how to find oxidation state. Okay, to find oxidation state of zinc, that is the central metal atom, that is a zinc. Okay, yeah. Now let's consider zinc. For the zinc, consider the X. Okay, now you know the chlorine ligand, or we call the chlorido. Okay, chlorido having the one negative charge, so plus 1. How many chlorine is present is in this complex? 4 chlorine. So 4 into charge on the each chlorine. Okay, look towards this charge on the each chlorine having the -1 negative charge. So 4 into -1. Okay, now only 4 chlorine is present in this complex, so which is equal to charge on the complex. This is the complex ion, and charge present on this complex ion is -2, which is equal to -2. Okay, now let's solve. X, that is, you know, plus 4 into -1, that is a -4, which is equal to -2. Now this -4, when you transfer towards this side, then it becomes +4. So +4 -2. Okay, understand this point? Got it? So X is equal to +4 -2, that is +2, and our X is, that is a central metal atom. X means it is a central metal atom. So zinc having the +2 oxidation state. Okay, understand this point? So in this complex, coordination number of zinc is 4 and oxidation state is +2. Okay, now let's solve this example. Example number 3. In example number 3, we have to give one K4 Ap CN6. Okay, cyanide 6 times. Now how to find coordination number and oxidation state for this complex? You know the definition of coordination number, that is the number of ligand attached to the central metal atom is called coordination number. Now in this complex, the 6 ligand, that is the 6 cyanido, okay, is the Cn minus means cyanido, okay, attached to the central metal atom, that is the Ap. So coordination number of central metal atom is equal to 6. It is the number of ligand attached to the central metal atom is called coordination number. So in this complex, coordination number is 6. Now let's find oxidation state. Okay, for such complex, this complex ion, okay, this complex ion, now first dissociate this complex like this. This only for our understanding. This complex dissociate into 4K plus Ap CN6 minus 4. Okay, only for our understanding we dissociate this complex. Okay, now then find oxidation state of this complex ion. Okay, find the oxidation state of this complex ion for the central metal atom. Oxidation state of this central metal atom of complex ion. Okay, this is in equilibrium. We also write in equilibrium. Okay, now let's consider Ap is equal to X. Okay, then X plus the ligand is cyanide is a negative ligand. Okay, cyanide is a negative ligand. So number of cyanide is 6. So 6 into charge present on the each cyanide. Okay, charge on the cyanide is -1. So plus X plus 6 into, that is a 6 means number of ligands. Okay, in this case number of ligands, that is a cyanide is 6. So 6 into charge on each cyanide is -1, which is equal to total charge present on the complex ion. This is complex ion, and total charge present on the complex ion is -4. Okay, so X, it is plus 6 into -1 -6, which is equal to -4. Okay, so transfer this -6 into towards the sides, it is from left to right, then -6 becomes +6 -4. This is a simple mathematical step. Okay, so X is equal to +6 -4, that is a +2. Okay, now and X means Ap, that is a iron, that is a central metal atom. So Ap is in +2 oxidation state, or simply we can write Ap +2. Okay, so in this complex, coordination number is 6 and oxidation state of the central metal atom is +2. Understand? Now let's solve this example. Cobalt, bromine or bromo, we call it as a bromo, amine, and SO4. Again SO4. Now first we know the type of ligand. Okay, this is not ligand, this is the counter ion. Okay, first we know the type of ligand. This is the bromine or bromo. Bromo, it is a negative ligands. Ammonia, or we call it as a amine. Amine, it is a neutral 2 electron donor ligand. It is a neutral ligand. Okay, and this is the counter ion. This counter ion is like this. Okay, which stabilize +2 charge present on the complex ion. Okay, SO4 -2. Now, like the previous example, first dissociate for our understanding. Dissociate this complex, right, like in equilibria. This is only for our understanding. Bromine, ammonia 5 times, that is SO4 -2. So charge present on this complex ion is +2, plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, now first find coordination number of central metal atom, that is a cobalt. So number of ligand attached to the central metal atom is a coordination number. So how many ligand attached to the central metal atom? First is 1 bromine and 5 ammonia, that is 1 bromine plus 5 ammonia. So total number of ligand attached to the central metal atom is 6. 6 ligand attached to the central metal atom. So coordination number of cobalt is 6. Coordination number is 6. Now let's find oxidation state of the central metal atom. Now consider this complex ion. Consider cobalt is equal to X. Okay, for our understanding, X plus number of bromine is 1. So 1 into charge present on bromine. Okay, there is a -1 charge. So into -1 plus number of ammonia. Number of ammonia is 5. So 5 into ammonia is a neutral ligand. So charge present on the neutral ligand is 0, obviously, into 0, which is equal to charge present on the complex ion. This is the complex ion. Okay, and this is a complex ion, and which is equal to charge on the complex ion. In this example, charge present on the complex ion is +2. Okay, now let's solve. X plus +1 into -1, it's a -1. Simple math. Plus anything into 0, 5 into 0 or anything into 0, it becomes 0, which is equal to +2. X minus 1 is equal to +2. Let's transfer this -1 into on these sides. Okay, it's from left to right. So -1 become +1, like +1 +2. So X is equal to +1 plus 2, it is a +3. So oxidation state of the cobalt, okay, X means cobalt. Okay, so oxidation state of the cobalt is +3. So I can write like this: oxidation state of cobalt is equal to +3, or simply cobalt in +3 oxidation state. Okay, now let's solve this fourth example, and this example for your homework. Okay, you practice example number 2. It is a very simple example. So let's discuss last example of this session. Is a K4. Which one is? Yes, sorry. Cobalt, ammonia thrice, Cl3. Okay, now coordination number of central metal atom is 3 ammonia and 3 chlorido ligand attached to the central metal atom. So coordination number is 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So coordination number of central metal atom is 6. Okay, now let's find oxidation state of the central metal atom. Now let's consider X is equal to cobalt, okay, plus number of ammonia 3, then charge present on the ammonia. Ammonia is a neutral 2 electron donor ligand, so charge on the ammonia is 0. Any ligands, that is any neutral ligand having the 0 charge. So if we put in this, put to find the oxidation state, or if eliminate, no problem, but for your understanding I can write here plus 3 into charge on the ammonia is 0 plus number of chlorine is 3 into charge present on each chlorine. How many charge present in each chlorine? It is a -1 charge, okay, it is the -1 charge present on each chlorine, so into -1, which is equal to charge on the complex sign, okay. In this complex sign there is a no charge, okay, so which is equal to 0. If there is a no charge, then it is equal to 0. If -1, then it is equal to -1. If -2, if here is -2, equal to -2. If here is a +2, then it is equal to +2. So in this example there is a no charge present on the complex sign, so which is equal to 0. X plus anything into 0, that is 3 into 0, 0, plus 3 into -1, that is a -3, okay, which is equal to 0, that is x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to, when -3 transferred towards this right side, then it becomes +3. Therefore central metal atom, that is a cobalt, having the +3 oxidation state, or cobalt present in the +3 oxidation state, okay. This is all about the coordination number and oxidation state of the central metal atom or ions. Thank you for watching video.